Yo AutoAce fam! Today we're reviewing the Honda Click 160 2025 here in the Philippines. The big question is it more worth it than the Yamaha Aerox V3? Let's break it down and see which scooter gives you better value this year. Let's go! Honda Click 160 is valued at 122,900 pesos. For the Yamaha Aerox 155 V3, it's valued at 125,900 for the standard and 163,900 for the SP. The Click is close to the Aerox standard in price, but there's a big jump if you compare it to the Aerox SP. Click 160. Aerox V3. On the road, both feels quick in the city. The Aerox delivers a sportier, sharper throttle, while the Click 160 is smoother and more refined. Click 160. Aerox 155. The Click is lighter and slightly lower, making it more friendly for smaller riders. The Aerox feels heavier but more planted on the road. Click 160. It has a full LED lights, smart key system, digital LCD display, USB charging port, and idling stop system. For the Aerox V3, it has LED lights, digital dash, Y-Connect app, ESS or emergency stop signal. The SP trim adds ABS, TCS, and sub-tank rear shocks. If you want everyday practicality, the Click 160 is solid. If you're after sporty tech and safety, the Aerox SP is ahead. Click 160 has flat footboard, upright seating, and around 18 liters under seat storage. Good for groceries and daily errands. For the Aerox 155, it has a central tunnel design, tighter cockpit, sportier riding stance, and storage is 24.5 liters, enough for a full-face helmet. Click is commuter friendly, while the Aerox is built for riders who enjoy a sportier feel. Click 160, around 47 kilometers per liter in real-world riding. Aerox 155 is around 40 to 45 kilometers per liter. The Click has the edge in fuel savings. So, which one is more worth it in 2025? Choose the Honda Click 160 if you want a scooter that's lighter, more fuel efficient, practical and budget friendly. Perfect for daily commuting. Choose the Yamaha Aerox V3 if you prefer a sporty design, more tech features, and added safety with ABS and TCS. Just be ready to spend more for the SP version. For everyday city riders, the Click 160 is the value winner. But if you want extra sport and tech, the Aerox SP delivers. AutoAce fam, what's your pick? Click 160 or Aerox V3? Drop your answer in the comments. And if this review helped you, hit like, tap subscribe and hit the bell for more straight-to-the-point scooter reviews. Ride safe, ride smart. Thanks for watching.
Mm-hmm.